So basically what we've done. So basically what has happened is this bow right here, we wanted it to retain the stock location. So what I did with it is it used to bolt, this bow used to go on the outside of this bracket right here and had a rivet through it. So you drill the rivet out, put this bracket in, and then take this bow and stick it on the inside. Even though it's down, it still goes to the factory location, so you don't have to change anything in the convertible top in your material. And then what that does is instead of it being on the outside, it stacks up weird against the other bows. And when you bring it to the inside, it tucks it down more too. If you look at it like this, before the top would be up maybe another 1/2 inch, so it'd be hitting more up here. And there's a bar back in here it hits on, but if you bring it down, it helps it stack up better. And then the top can fold down further down. So normally, if you see, and it doesn't look like it's much, but look at the height location, the difference in how the top, how much further this bow is down. See, it's on the outside of this bracket right here, of this inner bracket, is how this is factory. There's normally a rivet in here, and you'll grind the head of the rivet off or drill it out, or however you want to remove it. Remove that rivet. And so then what we've done, so when it comes out, this height right here is what we needed to keep. So what we've done, and another thing too is when it folds up, there's a bunch of different pieces in here that stack right up. And that was making us not being able to set the top down as deep as we wanted to. So what we've done is you take the rivet out, take this piece here, and now the bow goes to the inside. So that piece will go on there. Obviously, this is just our mock-up stuff, but we'll have some fasteners and you'll Loctite this in. And then the bow goes to the inside. So you take this, and then the bolt shouldered where it stops it. So you should be able to tighten this up. Then the bolt will bottom out. And then this is, so if you look at it, you install this bolt and it moves the bow down, as you can see from its stock location to now where it's at. It drops the bow down in the configuration, and it takes the bow from the outside to the inside, which lets it fold up better inside, and it doesn't hit. And it also brings the bow forward, because this is the first thing that hits on the tub, and it brings that forward a little bit, which allows you to run a little bigger tire on it. So now with that all installed, and you have plenty of room now when you set the deck on.